Good morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area Branch. Again, student, lesson 8, triangles, examples of exercise 8. Student, this is video lecture 3. Here, student, question number 11. A triangle ABC is a right angle at A. Here is the right angle, that means here makes 90 degree. And L is the point on BC. L is the point on BC such that AL perpendicular to BC. Prove that angle BAL is equal to angle ACB. Here student, in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree. This information is given. In triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree. We know that the sum of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So here student, we can say angle B plus angle C plus angle A is equal to 180 degree by ASP, angle sum property. So here student, angle B plus angle C plus 90 degree, because this value is given here, is equal to 180 degree. So angle B plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. This value moves in right way and subtract it. This is equation first. Again student, in triangle ABL, here student, in triangle ABL, AL is perpendicular. So student, this angle is 90 degree. So here we can say this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. This is also an angle sum property. So here write down angle B plus this angle can be written as BAL, angle BAL plus angle BLA, angle BLA is equal to 180 degree by ASP. Here student, angle BLA is equal to 90 degree. This angle is given here. So angle B plus angle BAL plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So here angle B plus angle BAL is equal to 90 degree. This is equation second. From equation first and second, this value is 90 degree and this value is also 90 degree. So this value is equal to this value. So angle B plus angle C is equal to angle B plus angle BAL. Here student, angle B and angle B is cancel. So we can say angle C is equal to angle BAL, angle C. So student, angle C can be written as angle ACB. ACB is equal to angle BAL. Look at here student, ACB is equal to BAL. So student, this is your proof. Okay student, I hope you will understand this question. The next question is example number 12. So that the bisector of the base angle of a triangle can never enclose a right angle. Here student, so that the bisector of the base angle, here BO and CO is the bisector of the base angle, is never enclose a right angle. That means this angle is not 90 degree. You have to prove that this angle is not 90 degree. So here student, this is the theorem. So first of all, write the information, whatever the given information. In triangle ABC, in which BO and CO bisect the base angle, means angle B and angle C respectively. Second information is to prove angle BOC is not a right angle. Here angle BOC is not a right angle. Here proof, let angle BOC, that means let us consider here student, angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. Let us consider angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. And this angle is angle 1 and this angle is angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. ASP, angle sum property. Angle sum property, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Here angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. So here student, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. We know that if this is angle 1, so this is also angle 1. If this is angle 2, this is also angle 2, because this line is the bisector of this angle and this line is also means BO is also a bisector of this angle. So multiply both sides 2. Multiplying both side 2. Multiplying both side 2. So we can write 2 times of angle 1 plus 2 times of angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. So 2 times of angle 1, this is angle 1, angle 1. That means 2 times of angle 1 can be written as completely angle B. So here completely angle B plus 2 times of angle 2, that can be written as completely angle C. So completely angle C is equal to 180 degree. So look at here student, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. We know that in a triangle the sum of two angles is 180 degree. It is not possible. It is not possible. So write down our contradiction. Our contradiction was wrong. That means our contradiction was wrong. Our supposition was wrong. Means whatever I take, this angle BOC is the wrong information. We do not take this value. Okay student, so here write down our contradiction was wrong. So our contradiction was wrong. So angle BOC is not a right angle. So angle BOC is not a right angle. Okay student, this is the theorem of 12 number. I hope student you will understand this question also. The next question is question number 13. In the given figure, prove that x is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is the given figure student. Figure is given here. Okay, this value is x, this value is alpha, this is the beta, and this one is gamma. Okay, so here student, first of all make the construction like this. This is the BE, and make the angles. Suppose this one is the angle 1 and this is the angle 2. This angle is the angle 3 and this angle is the angle 4. Here write down student, in triangle AB, suppose this point is O. In triangle ABO. In triangle ABO, we know that here student, exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. So angle 3 is equal to alpha plus angle 1 from exterior angle property. Angle 3 is equal to alpha plus angle 1. Here write down exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. This is equation first. Here in triangle BCO, in triangle BCO, here is also, this is the exterior angle 4. So 4 is equal to 2 plus gamma. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2 plus gamma. This is again a student exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. This is equation second. This is equation second. So equation 1 and 2 means adding equation 1 and 2 we have. In adding equation 1 and 2, here adding equation means equation 1 plus 2. We can write equation 1 plus 2. So angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to alpha plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus gamma. This one is the bracket. So angle 3 plus angle 4. Look at here. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to x. This value is given. So angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to x is equal to alpha plus angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to beta. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to beta. And the last value is gamma. So student, here the result is x is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is your proof. Okay student, I hope student this question also understand. The next question is question number 16. In the given figure, means this figure is given here student, side BC of a triangle ABC is produced at point D. This is the C, this is the B, this value is A and this value is E. To produce at BD, to produce from A ray BD and CE is parallel to DA. That means this line is parallel to this line. So that angle ACD, this whole angle is equal to angle A plus angle B, and deduce angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Here student, CE is parallel to BA. CE is parallel to BA and AC is TL, transversal line. So CE is parallel to BA and AC is transversal line, then this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. So here write down angle ACE. Angle ACE, this angle is equal to angle A. This is equation first. Again student, CE is parallel to BA and BD is TL. Look at here. This line is parallel to this line and this is also a transversal line. This is also a transversal line. So we can write here this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angle. Here write down alternate interior angles. And second one is angle ECD. Angle ECD is equal to angle B. Region is corresponding angles. Region is corresponding angles. This is equation second. So here student, equation 1 plus equation 2. Here equation 1 plus equation 2. So angle ACE plus angle ECD is equal to angle A plus angle B. So here ACE, that means this angle, plus ECE, this angle. So we can write the complete angle. So ACD, here ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. This is your first proof. Here ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. The second one is the deduce that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Here student, angle A and angle B is given. That means angle C is adding in both sides. So angle C, not angle C, adding both side, angle C, adding both side angle C. So angle C plus angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So here student, angle C plus angle ACD. So angle C is this one, angle C plus ACE. So this whole angle is the 180 degree by LP, linear pair. By linear pair, the complete angle is 180 degree. So here we can write down 180 degree is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay student, I hope student this question also understand. The next question is question number 19, last question student. In the given figure, this figure is given here, find angle CPA and DPB, DP and this one is B, and angle BDP, DP. That means you have to find this angle and this angle. Very easy question student. Here angle C, that means first of all you have to write the triangle. In triangle APC, angle C plus angle A plus angle CPA is equal to 180 degree by ASP, angle sum property. This angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. This angle is 100. This angle is 45 plus angle CPA is equal to 180 degree. So angle CPA is equal to 180 minus 145. So angle CPA is equal to 35 degree. That means this angle is equal to 35 degree. So here angle CPA is equal to angle DPB, angle DPB, the region is VOA, vertically opposite angle. By vertically opposite angle, this angle is also 35 degree. So 35 degree is equal to angle DPB. So angle DPB is equal to 35 degree. This angle is 35 degree, so this angle is also 35 degree. Again, a student, in triangle PDB, 35 plus 65 plus angle D, this is the angle D, is equal to 180 degree by ASP, angle sum property. plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. So we can write angle D is equal to 180 minus 100. So angle D is equal to 80 degree. So here student, this angle is 80 degree. So this angle CPA 35 degree. This angle is 35 degree. DPB, this angle is also 35 degree. And BPD, this angle is 80 degree. So this is your final answer. I hope student you will understand all questions. So your homework is complete examples of exercise 8. Okay student, today homework is complete examples of exercise 8. If you have any query, if you have any question, ask the question. Okay, thank you.